In this video, I'll show you how to discontinue a product line in your WooCommerce store in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So this video will be based on this article here on the aoveup.com blog. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can follow along with the written steps as well. But with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to navigate to plugins and then click add new, because we're going to add a plugin that will allow us to discontinue a particular product line. So I'm just going to search discontinued in here. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and install this particular plugin here by Sapphire Tech. So I'm just going to click install and then activate. Okay, so we'll navigate over to WooCommerce and then settings, and then we'll navigate to discontinued, and we just want to make sure we tweak a few settings. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, it's totally up to you, but you can choose whether you want to display your discontinued products in your catalog, right? Or you can just have it hidden, or you can unselect this and then it will be hidden. However, whenever the customer search for that particular product, it will show up in the search results, and then they'll be able to clearly see that the product's discontinued. So that might be a better option. In this example, I'm going to allow it to display with our existing catalog, okay? And then I'm just going to add a global custom message for whenever a product's been discontinued. And I've just got some text in my notepad here. So I'm just going to copy and paste this message. Okay, and this is our global message for discontinued product. So if you wanted as well, whenever someone search for that particular product which is discontinued, you can choose to hide it from the search results. Okay, by default it will be displayed, and since we're displaying the discontinued products in our product catalog, we've got this option here to actually gray it out so customers can visually see that they're not actually able to purchase this particular product. So let's just save changes, and then next we'll have a look at how we actually set a product to be discontinued. So we'll just head over to products and then all products. Okay, and let's have a look at this particular product here. I'm just going to go ahead and edit it. Now let's navigate to inventory, and then for the stock status, I'm going to set this to discontinued. And then now we've got this discontinued products message here. So if we wanted, so we've got two options, right? So we can use the default global message, or we can add a specific message based on this particular product here. But I'm just going to leave the global message as default. So let's just hit update, and now we can go ahead and view this product. Okay, so when we actually view this particular product here, we can see our custom message letting us know that this particular product has been discontinued and there's no buy button. Okay, and that's a quick and simple way to discontinue a product on your WooCommerce store. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below.